Here we have a Phillips Internet Whiz Wi-Fi light bulb. It's interesting because it doesn't have that big thick base that most of your LEDs or Wi-Fi bulbs have. Unboxing video. Great big box. Not that big of a bulb. Got the newer style LED filaments. And looks like they managed to bury the electronics in the base. It doesn't have that big, huge, hulky ceramic one. It looks just like a regular light bulb, rather than the rather interesting ones. Perfect for a lamp over the stove, small night light, bedroom light, anything with your small shade where you don't want a big bulb. So we'll see momentarily how this does.